So here we go. So you ever think, man, I sure could use a good poker? Okay, for a fireplace, right? So let's say you got a fire pit and you enjoy sitting out there at night with the fire going. You just love that kind of stuff, looking at the stars and everything like that. But when it's time to stir the wood, right, and to move some stuff around, you just don't have anything. So I kind of had that situation. So I looked around. I thought, well, what do I have? And I've got this old wrought iron gate, and so I'm going to use it. See if I can make myself a pretty cool little fireplace poker. So let's see what I come up with. So you need a good hook. You need a hook on the end so that you can grab stuff and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off a little bit of the end here at an angle, probably 45-degree angle. And then I'll take the piece that I cut off and then I'll weld it back onto this right here. And then that way I've got that good hook on there for when I got to, hook the wood. Okay, here we go.
Swing away, working for the man next door. I say, well, pick up your hammer. Swing away.
Okay, so
for the man next door. Well, I said, working for the man next door. Well, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. I said, well, say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, yeah, you're working for the man next door.
Okay, well, now I've got to weld it on. Since it was hollow, I actually welded the end so that hot air wouldn't flow through there and heat up on my hand. But think about burning your hand. So I need a handle. So something I can put on here so it's easy to grab and grip and it's not going to be hot and stuff. So let's see what I can figure out. This will work right here. We're going to give it a shot and see what we can do.
From Tennessee, he got a one-way ticket to Vegas to live a dream. With the roll of the dice, he sacrificed every bit of sanity. Well, I sold the lights of Vegas, sweep him clean. And he said, oh Lord, I'm taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around the day. Well, I heard about a man in Arkansas.
I just need to take off the bark, sand this down a little bit, make it look a little nicer.
He did what they said he should, but I saw Arkansas take it all. He said, oh Lord, you're taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Well, I saw a gal standing in some town. She was holding up a sign for downtown, looking for some work. She just needs a little perk. Well, I saw society just to let her.
Yeah, wow, that stuff that doesn't come off well using that firewood. That was nice. It's really dry, I mean wet. It's probably should let it dry out a little bit. Okay, so I got this little paddle bit. You know, it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got sandpaper on it. So I'm going to try that, kind of smooth out the edges on this, and give it a little more of a contour shape. Let's see if it works.
Well, I've been to every town across this land. I try to see the beauty the best I can. Well, I look to the east and I look to the west. But every chain is written.
Setting my firewood. I mean, it's kind of really I know I'm gonna sit probably for an hour with some sandpaper to get it just how I want it. Knock some of these little nubs off, and anyway, so let's just keep going, see what happens.
Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, sing it with me. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, let me hear it sing it. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I say, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around. Taking my pain.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw some paint on. I'm gonna throw some paint on it, and let's see if I can make it look a little pretty. I wonder if I think I do. I got some, yeah, it probably won't work. It's engine paint, right? So it's set for 500 degrees, but this is gonna get a lot hotter than 500 degrees. So.
Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, sing it with me. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today.
To make sure that later, as this wood dries out, it's probably going to shrink a little bit, and I don't want it to be pulling off my my poker. So I'm going to put some screws through that, and but I'm going to pre-drill the holes to make sure that I don't split the wood while I'm doing it. There you go. Okay, so I cut these screws off, a lot shorter, and now I'm just fixing, I wanted to make sure they didn't go all the way through. Just want them there to hold this from coming off the wood. I'm going to countersink these little heads. So let's see if it works. Pretty good. Okay, all right. Okay, so poker's done. So got the hook on there, welded on nice and strong. Got me a nice cedar handle. It's got a good grip to it. Sanded it really nice. Anchored on there. The cedar, it's still kind of wet. I mean, literally I cut it an hour ago. So probably gonna wait a few weeks and then I'll throw some stain on there, some sealer or something like that. But I know it's gonna do real well, and I'm excited about using this here real soon. Hopefully have fire tonight. So make it happen. Strokes and fire.
Well, I heard about a man from Tennessee